Hi, my name is Shalini Sharma. So we've just moved into this new house, and it's, as you can see, it's come out really beautiful and exotic, and really loving the color palette and the elements and the walls and the furniture pieces, which may include things from small to big, like maybe from a dresser to the bed to the walls. I'd like to add that this is quite an imagination coming true. Yes, there's a big wow element. When we entered into the house, it was a big wow for all of us. About the designing, we had a lovely person who helped us do all of this. So we had this designer, a Gurgaon-based designer. Her name is Chaya Sharma, and she is the one who actually designed the entire place. Though we are not that creative, we might have ended up doing some wrong color palette, wrong kind of sofa, the shape of the furniture elements, the walls. Maybe we could have ended up just copying pasting something from some restaurant or some cafe. But Chaya is the person who really helped us a lot. She's the one who designed the entire thing, and she's done it really beautifully because she has a different taste, and I guess that's one reason why we chose her in the beginning while we were out in our pursuit for searching for a designer, because definitely we knew that she has a different taste, and that has really come out. So it's really different, and what she showed to us in the pictures or in the renders or whatever ideas which were like not in face, maybe over the internet or over some kind of app or whatever, it has really come true. I would say, like, for example, there's this wall in front of me, maybe you'll see that in the pictures later. It's a real copy paste. I mean, you will not be able to find a flaw. So it has come out really beautiful. My furniture elements are really nice. My dresser, I'd like to add, she has a different taste, and she's very clear with her color palettes. She did not allow us a few colors which we really wanted, but she was very clear कि ये तो नहीं होगा, ये तो होने मत देना, this is going to really spoil it all. So she was very good with her choices, her taste, along with our imaginations. Maybe she could understand it really well in the initial phase. So along with that understanding and the kind of things we would just kind of like dream about, so she could catch it really well. She chose the right colors for us. So my house is very different from the normal regular houses. I think in one go I would say it's just beautiful. It has just come out really nice. Thanks, Chaya. It was really nice with her. The best thing about her is she really understood our taste. She could really get into what we are thinking about. And another good thing was that she was very clear about certain things where she knew that यहाँ पे तो नहीं होना है. Like for example, there were places and things where we would give an idea कि ये कर लेते हैं वो कर ले. She was very clear कि ये नहीं होना. Sorry, this is not happening. It's not going to look good. So we could have gone wrong at many places. So she really helped us do it really nice.
But I would like to add to this, not just the designer, it's the client as well. When they are also clear about their thoughts and they know what they want, it helps us a lot. And when they give you freedom and they trust you for what you are doing, that helps a lot for a successful, beautiful project.
Thank you.